In this lesson, how to use moving average envelopes, the learning objectives are: you should understand how to use moving average envelopes, and you should know how to calculate moving average envelopes. A moving average envelope consists of a moving average and two other lines. One line is above the moving average and the other line is below the moving average. Together, these two lines form an upper and lower envelope. This indicator is mainly used to define borders of current price movement, or as a oversold and overbought indicator. When there is a lot of buying or selling pressure, prices reach extremes. Also, envelopes are good at showing whether the market is trending or flat. The steeper the incline or decline, the stronger the trend is. Moving average envelopes are very similar to Bollinger Bands or Keltner channels. The difference is just that the moving average envelopes use fixed values of percentage deviation, whereas in Bollinger Bands, deviation depends on volatility. And the same goes with the Keltner channels because they use ATR. The calculation is shown here for the moving average envelopes. You can pause it to make notes. The reason why it's important that you should know this calculation is because you should know what the effects of changing the K value, which is the percent of shifting, and changing the N value, which is the period of averaging, as well as changing what the simple moving average, the actual moving average, because you could use an exponential moving average instead of the simple moving average.